Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to simplify the rational expression. You can see here one question is given. Let's take a start. First of all, x square minus 2x minus 15. Here also we learn how to factorize and take common 2. So you can see the last number here is 15. We have to find a that type of factor whose multiplication is 15 and subtraction is 2. When you multiply you will get 15, and when you subtract, here is minus, so when you subtract we get 2. What are the factors? 5 and 3. If you don't know, you can do in this way also. I will show you here. The factors are 5 and 3, x minus 15. If you don't know, let's do like this. First of all, we have to take here 15, so 3 5s are 15, and when you subtract this two number 5 and 3, and we get 2. So what are the factors? 5 and 3. So you can do like this. Now in denominator, what happened here? First of all, we have to multiply first and last number. 3 into 15, how much we get? 45. 3 into 15 is equal to 45. Now we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 45 and subtraction is 12. So we can do in this form. First of all, we have to divide by 3, because by 2, which is impossible, because at the last there is odd number, so we have to divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now let's check it. If when you subtract this, we get 12 or not? We get 12 here. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. So what are the factors here? 15 and 3. While multiplying 45 and while subtracting 12. So we can write here 3x square minus, in the place of 12 we have to write 15 minus 3. So 15 minus 3, x minus 15. After this, let's open the bracket. X square minus 5 into x, 5x minus plus 3 into x, 3x minus 15. In denominator also same we have to do. 3x square minus 15 into x, 15x minus plus 3 into x, 3x minus 15. After that, if you don't know common, look at here how to take common. From x square minus 5x, here is x square, here is x, so we can take x common, remaining x minus 5. Similarly 3 and 15, so this both will come in 3 table. Okay, so on previous video I was taught you complete concept of factorization as well as common 2. So here 3 is common and remaining x minus 5. Similarly, you can see here is 3 and 15, so 3 and 15 common is 3, we can take. X square x common is x, we can take. So we can write here 3x is common, and what is remaining here? 3 already, which is common here. From x square x is common, so remaining is x, because x into x it will be x square. Here is minus, so write on minus. 3 into which number it will be? 15. 3 5s are 15, x which is already common, plus 3 and 15 common is 3, remaining x minus 5. One thing you have to keep in your mind, this and this always same. If not same, something you done here in factorization mistake. Okay, now again we have to take common, and you can see x minus 5, so x minus 5 common, and the remaining is x plus 3, so we can write x plus 3. Similarly, you can see x minus 5, so we can take x minus 5 common, and remaining here 3x plus 3, so we can write here 3x plus 3. Again you can see here also 3, here also 3, so we can take 3 common too. This and this cancelled, x minus 5 cancel, and here x plus 3 by this 3 we can take common, and the remaining is x plus 1. So answer is x plus 3 by 3x plus 1. Hope you understand this question.